Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete audio only in DaVinci Resolve, remove audio in DaVinci Resolve easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. And once you're already onto your project, just go ahead and add in the clip when you want to go ahead and remove its audio. So we'll simply drag and drop it in here. Now, if you've noticed, if you click onto the clips in here, it will automatically highlight both the video and the audio. So if you try to remove this as well, it will remove both. But if you want to remove only the audio, so just click onto this to be highlighted, right click, and then we're going to remove the option of link clips in here. You could also use the shortcut key for that. Right after, it would give you an option already to click onto the audio only or onto the video only. Now to go ahead and remove the audio only, click onto the audio, right click, and then there should be an option to delete selected. So you could also use the backspace for that. And if you click onto that, as you can see, the audio has been removed. And that is how easy you could go ahead and delete audio only in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.